Introducing the one cordless chainsaw with the power of now. Now comes the battery muscle you need to do real work. So it's adios to gasoline. Now comes a chainsaw that's ready when you are, that starts instantly and runs longer than ever. With no pull cords, no gas oil mixing, no deafening noise. And now comes a built-in sharpening system so advanced, you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Cut it clean, cut it fast, cut it now. The Oregon PowerNow 40-volt max chainsaw. Breakthrough cordless power like nothing you've ever seen. Until now.